How can I produce high CPU load on a Linux server? I'm currently in the process of debugging a cacti installation and want to create CPU load to debug my CPU utilization graphs. I tried to simply run cat/dev/0 is greater than /dev/null, which works great but only utilizes one core. Is there a better method of testing/maxing out system resources under load? Related, how can I produce high CPU load on Windows?
Try stress. It's pretty much an equivalent of the Windows consume.x.
No need to install any extra package, your good old shell is able to do it alone. This one-liner will load your 4 cores 1 at 100%. How it works is quite simple. It starts 4 endless loops. Each of them is repeating the null instruction column. Each loop is able to load a CPU core at 100%. If you use bash, ksh93, and other shell supporting ranges, i.e. not dash or older ksh, you can use this non-portable syntax. Replace 4 with the number of CPUs you'd like to load if different from 4. Assuming you had no background job already running when you launched one of these loops, you can stop the load generation with that command. Answering at __D's comment, here is an enhanced version that simplify a lot stopping the load, and that also allows specifying a timeout, default 60 seconds, a Control-C will kill all the runaway loops too. This shell function works at least under bash and ksh. One note that with CPUs supporting more than one thread per core, hyper-threading, the OS will dispatch the load to all virtual CPUs. In that case, the load behavior is implementation dependent, each thread might be reported as 100% busy or not.
One alternative way would be, or, if an proc is present. OpenSL is almost always present on nowadays distros, so no extra packages needed.
I made a simple Python script which does the same. You can control the number of CPU cores you want to load. The good thing about this is that it won't consume any other resource besides the CPU. I think Mark Johnson's idea would consume a lot of I/O resources, which is undesired here. Just run this script from the terminal, $python temp1.py. You need to kill the script when you are done. Here is my CPU consumption output when I load 3 of my cores.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.